A lot of people have been asking me, I have this product, I have that product, how can I promote it online? And one of the most effective ways to actually promote your product is to list it with online sales vendors. If you don't have the money to actually start an e-commerce website yourself, there are sites that is what they exist for. Some of them have the main function to be just to connect sellers with customers. And today, Jumia is one of those companies. Presently, Jumia is working with more than 81,000 companies across Africa and is considered one of the top e-commerce websites on the continent. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can list your products on Jumia. But before we begin, you need to understand that to list your product with Jumia, you must have at least 5 items to sell. You must have a bank account, you must have your registered business certificate, and you must be at least 18 years old. The major advantage of selling your product on Jumia is the brand trust. Jumia is the largest e-commerce company in Africa right now, so having your product on Jumia promotes your brand, gives your brand that credibility that you are working with a reputable e-commerce website. The second one is the big audience. Jumia operates in more than 12 African countries, and the third is the free vendor training you're going to get. Once you decide to start selling on Jumia, Jumia gives you a free vendor training. They train you on how to sell your product online, how to list it right, how to write great descriptions and meaningful headlines that will promote your product. This is a free training. Selling on Jumia is basically in 3 steps. The step 1 is the registration, step 2 is the training, while the step 3 is listing of the product. So let's get started with step 1. You visit Jumia.com. So a lot of good things happen at the bottom. So you can see, you can click on sell on Jumia here. At the same time, you can walk your way down to the bottom. Yeah, and right here, you can see, click on sell on Jumia. Yes, you want to start making money, sell your product to your customers. You can start selling on Jumia. And before we do that, let me show you what Jumia is saying themselves. What they say is, okay, why you should sell on Jumia: connect with more buyers, sell more of your product because you have a wider audience, top-notch seller support because you're going to get on the free training, expert product delivery. Jumia has one of the most sophisticated and most interesting delivery system when it comes to e-commerce. Then improved revenue, free online and offline training. So we have testimonials from a lot of people. We have a breakthrough of how it works. You can go through this yourself, but let's continue with our selling. So this is the form. This is the first page. Enter your information, and once you're done, you click on next to go to the business page. Then when you're done, click on next to go to you add your bank account details. Then the fourth step is the summary. You review all your details and click on submit. Once you do that, you'll get a notification in your inbox. And once you get that notification, you also get a link to the Seller Academy. Once your account is approved, you're ready to start selling on Jumia.